Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Mcx Crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 4,935. We thought if the price is moving above 4,930, we can go for buying. So the price tried its best to clear 4,960. You could see the price found good support around 30s and tried to clear 60. Finally, it resulted in a failure, so the price came down and closed near 4,916. So we could see that the price is struggling to clear the top. Today it's expected to open somewhere below 4,920. So it's going to be a bit of tough zone for crude oil traders, where we need to take an extra bit of risk. What you can do to be on the safer side, or if you are a conservative trader, you can go for option contract, where initially you can buy the put option with the expectation that the market is coming down. And if you could see that the price is moving above 4,960 or staying above 4,930, always you can buy the call options, extra lotages of call option, and you can close the put option also, because these are the zones where we could not place a perfect stop. For example, assume that we are going short in this market, and if I am placing a stop above 4,930, it will go and trigger, and again it will come down. So it's quite a tricky area where you need to focus on the option derivatives. If you don't want to do that, what you can do, go for selling initially by placing stop loss near 4,940, and if the price is strong above 4,940, reverse your position to the buying side by placing stop at 4,890. Quite a riskier trade. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.